Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can copy your Instagram URL profile link. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a new tab on your PC. Then on the search bar, type instagram.com and you'll be led to your Instagram. If you haven't already logged into your account, you'll have to log in. But if you have already, you'll be directly led to your home page. Now on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see a profile option. Tap on it. After tapping on the profile option, you can see that on the Instagram URL, your username has been added. If you copy the URL by clicking the left side of your mouse and paste it on a new tab, your Instagram profile will be opened. So this is how you can copy your Instagram URL profile link. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.